Alright, let's read this sentence. The landscape artist who designed New York City's Central Park believed that providing scenic settings accessible to all would not only benefit the public's physical and mental health, and also foster a sense of democracy. So the first thing I'll point out here is that we have a word pair. So the word pair works, what a word pair does is basically if you see the start of a word pair, and this word pair starts with not only, then you're always going to get the second part of the word pair pretty much. So not only is pretty much always followed by but, and a lot of times it's followed by but also. So not only blah blah blah, but also. So we only really have one option at that point, choice D, to make that happen. So that's the easiest way to get this one right. There's another important thing to teach here though, and it's parallel structure. So parallel structure is repeated phrasing, and a lot of times it's repeated tense, basically making the two parts of a sentence parallel. And a lot of times the parallelness happens around a conjunction. So notice that here, this is where in the sentence we have a conjunction, the word and. We know that choice D is right, so we're going to kind of work off choice D just to demonstrate this. The word but is a conjunction. So the part before the part before the but and the part after the but are going to be parallel here. And we can kind of see it visually sometimes, or a lot of times we can hear it. But the way it works, the repeated phrasing that we have is that not only benefits, it's not only going to benefit the public's physical and mental health, but it's also going to foster a sense of democracy. So it not only benefit something, but also foster something. So you may hear parallel structure, and a lot of times you're going to see it on, happening. You won't know it at first, but then you'll get a conjunction, the but here, and then you'll get the second parallel part that you can sort of look for a match between the first parallel part and the second. And a lot of times parallel structure is actions, so it's matching sort of phrases or tense. So a couple ways to look at this one, and both of them help you pick choice D.